Again, we got another awesome trick to download the Tekken3 for Android. I don't need this PSX. It's double right now. I don't need those, and I don't need Subscriber. All of this, I don't need it. All we could do to get the trick. Just go to your YouTube browser, search play.mob.org. Crap, what the fuck? mob.org. Press go. Search again whatever you want. Also by motorcycle, you search Tekken3. There. Why all the motors attacking us? Okay, and say do you like this game? Okay, press download and download. And press that download button there. I don't need to download it because I already have it. Until downloading it, just install it again, and of course I have this Tekken2. Now just press play. If I say play saying uncompression, just wait for it. Oh shit! Keep saying that now. You could put the shit if you want. If you could use it, see, you could use all this shit if you want. Just if you press this like that, press anything if you want. Just and press apply. Okay, arcade mode. Favorite in the game is Jean. So guys, just go there. Okay, for watching, enjoy, subscribe. Goodbye.